Hello everyone, my name is Ekason and today I'll be talking about the electrical power generation in the US and also the application that I've built to map out the data. We'll be using the data from year 2000, 2010 and 2018. Here is an example from the 2018 dataset. So we'll be focusing on the tab plant 18 with the original data from A all the way to EI. This is a total of approximately 140 attributes. We'll have to remove some irrelevant data, and I've created one after removing that in the mini version over here, and the total number of attributes will be 31. So the main attributes we'll be looking at will be the state, the plant name, the geographical positions, the net generation of each energy sources, and also the respective percentages. When you first open the application, there will be a total of 5 left side tabs over here. There will be an about page, which will give a basic information about the general data itself. Next, we're going to look at the visualization tab. Once you click on that, you will see the data from Illinois. This is from year 2018. And on the top part, there are 2 rows of checkboxes for the different energy sources. And the default over here is currently set to all, but if you want to change the different checkboxes, you can choose which source to hide and which one to show. So for example, if you only want to look at the nuclear section, we'll only check the nuclear part over here. And only the plants which generate electricity from nuclear power will be shown. So if you zoom in on that, each circle has different sizes, right? If you click on the sides of the circle outline here, you can see the information about the plant, such as the name, the generating capacity, and also the percentages. Also, one more thing, if you accidentally move the map around and the map is out of focus, you can click on the reset button over here and it will bring you back to the original position. If you click on the comparison tab over here, you can see that we have 2 maps and 3 parts of checkboxes, the left side, the right side, and the bottom side over here. So the left one here only affects the left map, the right side over here only affects the right side, and the bottom part over here will affect both the 2 maps over here. Also, you can choose the data from different years, such as from 2000, 2010, and 2018, the states, and also the map types. Here we have 3 maps over here. The current one is default, and also, so for example, we can change the data from 2000 to 2010. For example, if you want to look at the data from 2000 and 2018, we can see the different types over here. And also by checking the different checkboxes, if you only want to change only the left side, you have to uncheck the bottom part over here, or else everything will be shown. Okay, and also if you want to change the map type to maybe type 1, you can try change it into and for example, if you want to look at different states, you can choose over here. For example, if I want to look at Indiana, I can select over here and the data will be shown over here. This is the same for the left and the right side. When we take a look at the entire US menu over here, we can see that this is pretty similar from the one in the previous menu, except for the part where there are 2 additional sliders over here, the minimum range and the maximum range. So by default, it is set to between 0 and 1000. Over here, the 3 million is actually on the negative side, so it is actually not generating any electricity but consuming the electricity itself. So same here, if we choose, like for example, non-renewable energy sources, the data will be shown over here. And if we adjust the sliders, so for example to about 40 million and the range to maybe about 7 million, the different data will be shown over here. So by default is the entire US shown over here. You can choose different states, for example Wyoming. And also if you want to adjust the years, you can change that too. And for the last part, we can look at this section over here. And we can use the map over here to see which power plants were there before and which plants were there after. So we can choose from the 2 years before and after over here. So for example, if we change, say from year 2000 to 2018, and here we can see all the newly built plants are shown in red, and the gray ones are the ones that remain the same. Okay, so this is the overall look of my application, and thank you for watching.